My name is John. I'm the captain of Court Song Specialists of Laventille. This is my 4th year of being a captain, right? I was elected by free and fair elections. You know, there comes a time when, as the world changes, and the youths in the band made the decision that, we wanted to go for a young, more vibrant, someone they can reach out to, on their wavelengths. Not saying that the captain before wasn't vibrant. I'm 28 years old, so I reach out to them on a level. We are like the community center. Anything that the folks around want to have, the neighbors, they will come to us, and we will open our doors to them. They are always welcome to come here. So we are the community center of the community here. We are grateful that we have a regular police presence. They come in and check in on us every now and again to find out if everything is okay. They make regular visits on a nightly basis. So I would think that all of us feel safe at the Panyard here.
Being a woman in this band, I must say it's a very good thing to know that you're protected by all these males around in the Panyard. 60% of the players in Court Song Specialists of Laventille are ladies. I think that being in the pan fraternity is a good thing for a woman, because not only that, but you get to showcase your talents and you get to be playing the national instrument of Trinidad and Tobago, and it's an honor. Song Specialists is very supportive when it comes to family. The band looks out for your children once you're a member. You can bring your children to the Panyard and know that everyone is throwing an eye and looking out for that young one.
I would think the motivation in the band is the people. It's like a home away from home. We try to make you feel welcome when you come to the Panyard, because we won't stress on practice. There are some nights outside of the season when you come, we would have table tennis going, all force competitions, and a number of other things that will have you interested in coming to the Panyard. So we incorporate everything into the band. So it's not just like a place of strictly music where oh, I fed up. No. It's a place that you can come, you relax, you have fun, and still get to play the national instrument.
I feel proud after every performance I make with my band. It's a joy to have people walk up to you and congratulate you as a woman, saying, we like the way you perform, you put it all out just the same way as a man can do it. I feel proud about that. In a steel band, not only music that women add to the band, but a style of fashion, even the way that they perform the song is a whole different way of movements, right? Now you may have men, they will jump up and dance and things, but when you're ready for that sweet Trinidad wine, you can depend on a woman for that. Even though the manager of the band is a man, most of the executive members, stateside members, are females. 2014, women were in things.